2024 Volvo EX90. Volvo's transition to an all-electric lineup continues with the introduction of a new flagship SUV called the EX90. It will be positioned above the gasoline-powered 90 when it goes on sale as a 2024 model. Its styling borrows elements from the concept recharged show car from 2021 and looks sleeker than the XC90 without abandoning quintessential Volvo styling elements such as the Thurs Hammer LED headlamp signature and vertically oriented taillights. A 496 horsepower electric powertrain will be standard, and, judging by the less powerful and smaller C40 Recharge and 40 Recharge SUVs, this setup should provide plenty of punch for quick acceleration. A large battery pack is said to give the EX90 a driving range of about 300 miles per charge, and it can be reduced via DC fast charging connection. Volvo has said that the EX90 will also showcase the brand's next-generation driver assistance technology, including a new driver monitoring system that can take action to help the driver if it detects distress or distraction. What's new for 2024? The EX90 is an entirely new nameplate for Volvo and one that will serve as the brand's top model when it goes on sale in early 2024. Pricing and trim levels have not been officially announced, but we expect the electric EX90 to carry a price premium over the gasoline-powered XC90 SUV. Volvo also has recently reshuffled its trim level offerings. We think the EX90 will adhere to the new protocol, which would see a base core trim, a mid-range plus variant, and a loaded ultimate model. EV motor, power, and performance. All X90s will come with a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, but the entry-level twin-motor model makes 402 horsepower, while the twin-motor performance variant makes 496 horsepower. The propulsion architecture is new and is likely shared with the recently debuted Polestar 3, which can be had with an even higher output 517 horsepower version of the system. Acceleration should be brisk even though the EX90 will likely tip the scales at a higher curb weight than its gasoline-powered analog, the EX90. Volvo says the twin-motor model should be capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, while the twin-motor performance should do the deed in 4.7 seconds. Interior, comfort, and cargo. A minimalist interior design puts most of the EX90's controls on a large touchscreen infotainment system. The look is clean and classically Scandinavian, but it may be irksome to drivers who prefer physical buttons and switches on their dashboards. The interior feels open and airy thanks to a large glass roof, and there's room for 7 riders thanks to a standard third row of seats. Leather upholstery has been banished from the options sheet in the interest of eco-friendliness, but the materials used instead look high-end, especially the available wool fabric that's blended with plastic recovered from recycled bottles. Range, charging, and battery life. On board is a 111 kWh battery pack that Volvo says should deliver around 300 miles per charge. DC fast charging capability is standard and is said to need as little as 30 minutes to juice the battery from 10 to 80%. The EV architecture used in the X90 also allows for bidirectional charging, which means you can hook it up to your house to power appliances during a power outage or use it to charge another Volvo EV if needed.